Hey guys, so I'm going to show you today how I use glue and tape to install my hybrid system. This is a Neo hair system in 4 ash. So I use glue at the front where the lace front is to ensure that there is an undetectable, invisible blend between my skin and the hairline, and then I use some tapes just around the back and the edge to ensure there is some security. This is the Ghost Bond XL with extra moisture control. So I am going to use a combination of glue and tape, and this will be attaching my hybrid system. So first off, I'm just going to use some surgical spirit and a Lordhair extra absorbent cotton pad just to clean up any grime or oils that might still be present on the lace and on the skin. So after I clean up the underneath of the system with some surgical spirit and the extra absorbent cotton pad, next what I'm going to do is do my scalp. I'm going to tape up just the sides. So what I'm going to tape up when doing a hybrid, what I tend to do if I'm using glue is I'll tend to just tape up the side area and the back, and maybe I'll use a bit of glue on the skin. I tend to use it more just around the hairline, just because I like to be able to get a really invisible hairline. I'll show you what I mean in a second. But what I tend to do is, I use a combination of tape and glue. So now I've taped up all of the kind of edges. So next step is I am going to apply the glue to my hairline. So I've just kind of marked where I don't want it to go any lower. So like we'll just say there, there, and there. So this little tool as well I got from Lordhair.com, and it's in the accessories, and this is a great little tool to spread all the glue around and get it nice and thin. I did use like little wooden sticks before, but they just never worked. This is really, really easy to use. So I've got the glue on, it's now gone transparent. I'm actually going to give it 2 more layers. So the more layers you do, the longer the bond will be. A top tip with glue is you don't want to sweat or get it wet within the first 48 hours, because that will stop it from maximizing how much bond it's going to get. So for instance, if you work out Monday to Friday, then you want to install this system on a Saturday morning, so you've got 48 hours until Monday morning when you go to the gym, to say. Or take it off Friday evening, clean everything up and rebond it Friday evening, because the glue does take around 48 hours for it to fully bond to the system or to the skin, whereas the tapes bond slightly quicker. So that's a top tip. So that is all dried in and it's all gone transparent. So that's when I know the glue is ready to be, the system is ready to attach. So now I'm going to install this. What I'm going to try not to do is push too much down onto the lace, because I don't want the glue to penetrate through too much. So I'll pop it on, and then what I do is I gently just kind of let it sit. So I'm going to find the middle. Where's the middle there? So this is it all stuck down, and the great thing about glue on a hybrid or a lace front or a full lace is it makes the hairline look super natural. If you use tape at the hairline, which I do, you can never get it to sit super flat. It always has like a millimeter ridge where the tape is underneath, but doing it this way, you're going to guarantee that this hairline is undetectable.